Right, so a really common issue that a lot of GoPro owners have, if you've got the, I think the 9, 10 or 11, and you want to watch your videos on a Windows machine, now the problem you run into is that you cannot watch it without purchasing a codec, which is, you know, standard Microsoft stuff, right? We'll sell you the computer now. Oh, you want to use the computer? We're going to have to sell you more stuff. So here you are, look, it's trying to say here about $1 US for these video extensions, right? And you can purchase these, it'll work, you can watch your videos, but the problem is the next time you get a fancy camera and there's another codec, guess what, you're going to have to pay again, right? So the trick is not to buy these. Say no to rampant capitalism and go on Google. On Google, just search for VLC media player. Find it here. Click VLC for Windows and download VLC. If it doesn't download for you, you click here and then choose one of the mirror links. And just wait for this to download. Okay, when it's downloaded, you can see here in the bottom left, click on the downloaded file, you allow it to install, choose what you want, we're going to get everything. And then just let the installer do its thing. And that's you all done. Right, now go back to your file. You can right click on it, you can go to open with, and you can choose VLC media player. If you can't be bothered doing that every single time, go to choose another app, highlight VLC by clicking, and then check the box that says always use this app to open MP4 files. Okay. Now your video will play. Yeah, don't use your phone whilst you're writing, guys. So that's it. Problem solved right there, and you don't have to pay for anything. Another cool thing about VLC is that it can actually run almost any video codec you can dream of. Doesn't matter what the frame rate is, doesn't matter what the bit rate is. If your system can handle it, generally VLC is going to be able to play it, right? There you go.